Poopsie Gets Lost. Poopsie the cat sat on her cat bed. It's a big house. She licked her paw. She rubbed her ear. She licked her paw again. She made a weird gurgling noise. She licked her... Oh, Poopsie, this is so...
boring.
Don't you want to do more than just sleep and eat and look fluffy all day? There's a whole world out there. Tell me, Poopsie, are you a snoozy house cat or are you a daring adventurer? That's what I thought. See that flap in the door over there? This may surprise you, but it's called a cat door. All you have to do is push it and out you'll go. That's it. You did it. Good for you. Smell that, Poopsie? That is the sweet, sweet smell of freedom mixed with a little bit of doggy doo. Now, I know your humans probably told you never to leave the yard, but that's only because they are party poopers. Fortunately for you, I know where the best fun is.
The best fun, that way.
Wait, you don't know how to read, do you? No? Good, keep going. Danger. Enter at your own risk. Unmarked trails. She's going into the jungle. I say, it is rather creepy in here. I hope you don't get eaten by anything. Oh, never mind. You'll be fine. Excitement is just to the right.
That way. My right, your left.
Oh, Poopsie. Look, a lovely vine hanging from a tree. You should swing from it like a wild thing. There's the tail of a snake. And these are cobras. And they're very poisonous. And they would probably like to eat a cat.
Nom nom.
Well, I have to say, that is the best impersonation of a vine I have ever seen. Also, are you all right, Poopsie? You look a bit bushy. Ah, a slightly pungent and murky river. How picturesque. Simply hippity-hop across from rock to rock. Go on, it'll be like hopscotch. See these rocks? That rock has eyeballs. Oh, poor Poopsie. Egad, those rocks have eyes and teeth. Talk about masters of disguise. Those rapscallions even fooled me, and I'm smart. Oh, look, a clump of sleeping pussycats. You should boop one of them on the nose. Boop. Don't be shy. How else will they know you want to be BFFs? That means best friends forever. Boop, they woke up. Oh no! Nope, they are not fans of the boop. Run, Poopsie, run! Like your 9 lives depend on it, because they really do. Oh, her bow's coming untied. Run fast, Poopsie. Quick, into that mysterious cave! Out of the cave! There's bats! Oh boy, the tigers are afraid of the bats too. Through those delightful bushes! They ate her. They're eating the tigers too. That one got his nose chomped. Over that quaint-looking bridge. Oh no, there's cracks in the boards. Do you see those cracks? Oh, it broke! Oh, she fell in! Oh no, a waterfall! Oops. Poopsie's having a bad day. Oh, well, Poopsie, this is a fine pickle you've gotten yourself into. I know you wanted adventure, but this is all a bit much, don't you think? She looks like a drowned rat. Oh, don't be such a sourpuss. Look at all the fun we're having. She ties her bow around her head as a headband. Poopsie, she's climbing. What are you doing? You're not going to go home, are you? She climbs to the top, cleans her paw. I hope you're not allergic to pollen. Oh, she's using the flowers to make herself orange. Are you trying to look like a tiger or a circus peanut? I'm guessing this is the part where you get eaten, never to be seen again. You should probably turn around. Oh, she has her, she's taming the tigers with her whip. Crack! So apparently you wrestle crocodiles now? She's on that crocodile's back. She tied his mouth shut so he couldn't bite him. Fine, go home if you want to. That's where all the fuddy-duddies are. You should fit right in. She's swinging across. She tied a rock to the other end of it and threw it, and it wrapped around, and then she swung across and she missed all the cobras. They get no cat to eat today. Poopsie, if you go back through that gate, I will never speak to you again. She's going anyway. Oh well, congratulations, you've made it back to Snoozeville. Don't let the cat door hit you on your backside. I suppose you're going to want to celebrate with a thrilling nap. Actually, a nap doesn't sound that bad. It was exhausting watching you almost get poisoned and eaten by crocodiles and mauled to death by tigers. And... Poopsie, I hope you are not thinking about closing this book. Uh-oh. Poopsie, I wouldn't do that if I were... Well, that was rude. That's the day Poopsie got lost. That's a funny little book.